Okay, quick update on my Space 1999 VIP pod. Um, I made some decision changes. I actually went with the computer panel and the chairs instead of both sides chairs, only because this looks so awesome. Anyway, I've crazy glued most of the parts in already, and as you can see, on some areas there's like voids, like right here there's a space between these two parts, and there was a big space between these two parts. So what I've been doing is filling in with Vallejo plastic putty, and this is pretty awesome because basically you apply it with the tube, and then you take a brush and you wet it just a little bit, and you can smooth out the area as well as dissolve the excess that comes to the sides. So as you can see in there, as I zoom in, okay, that's not too bad. It's not done. I'm going to put another layer because this is kind of deep. But when I go to the right side here, when I go to this side, that's going to be probably only one time to go through there. Also, there was a spot right here in this spot. I put in a styrene tube. I put some putty on the top. I primed it, painted it, so I filled in this void that would have been here. And actually, I can probably use this putty to fill in these lines. And then hopefully, I won't have to prime the putty. I can just paint over it. I'll find out pretty quick. So that's how I'm getting rid of my voids here. And also, as you can see here. And definitely on this side, and probably that seam right there from the computer panel. So if I was really brave, I'd use some styrene and build a little table here that has a little computer terminal here, like a table, like in the show. But I haven't gotten that far yet. I might though. But it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty psyched, and I will keep you guys updated. As you can see, put a bunch of paneling and decals on here. So, all right. Until next time, guys. Stay tuned.